Number 2 of our 5 is a machine version of the previous exercise that'll smack those lats almost as well as the last one. All you need to get her done is a high to low lat pull machine like this Strive. To begin, position yourself like so. And remember, we're going to let those hooks do the hauling and use a fingertip grip here. Now, it's important that even though you're rotating your shoulder forward to get that full extension of the latissimus dorsi here, that you do not overextend the actual shoulder joint itself. Okay, remember, protect that joint. It's easy to overextend your shoulder joints when you're doing single limb back exercises. Now, the mods we're going to apply here are the same as the last exercise, and I'm going to choose to do the 2 pause in the bottom, and I'm going to combine that with a 4 return. And as I said earlier, you don't have to do that. Sometimes you'll choose to do that, other times you won't. Just remember, when you combine mods, you're going to increase the intensity of the movement. The weights will be less, but it's not about the weights, it's about inducing a state of hypertrophy, and that means tearing the muscle fibers up. So here we go. A good set would look like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,